Hello students, this is 5.6 Real World Problems, Data and Probability from workbook page 119 until 131. There are 10 numbers here. The first one, Louis went on a fishing trip from Thursday to Sunday. On average, he caught 12 fish per day. He caught 15 fish on Thursday. How many did he catch on Friday to Sunday? So first, we are gonna draw the bar models. So the total fish that he caught, there are 4 days, right? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sundays, 4 days, and each day on average he gets 12 fish. So you get the total fish that he got. That is the total for here. Now we know that on Thursday he got 15. So the question is, how many did he get on Friday, Saturday, Sunday? So you need to get the total, which is from here minus the Thursday one. Then you get these 3 things. The total minus this, and then you get this 1, 2, 3. Next, number 2. Nicole bought 20 pieces of fabric of different lengths. The average length of 12 pieces is 3 feet. The total length of the other 8 pieces is 44 feet. Find the average of the 20 pieces of fabric. For number 2, so there are 20 pieces altogether. 12 pieces, each is 3. So we make the bar model. And then the 8 pieces, the total is 44. Now we need to find the total of 20 pieces. So that means this and this. So how do you get this one? 12 multiplied 3, right, to get this top one, and then plus 44 from the 8 pieces. That is the total for this and this. Now let's find the average. Average is found by dividing total by the number of fabric pieces. The total is the one that we just found, and number of fabric, we have 20 pieces. Then you get the average. Next, number 3. Ron drove his car from Monday to Saturday. On Monday and Tuesday, the car uses an average of 2 gallons of gas each day. From Wednesday to Saturday, the car uses 3 gallons each day. Find the total amount of gas used from Monday to Saturday. So first we draw the bar model. Monday and Tuesday, only 2 gallons. We just draw it 2. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 3 gallons, 3 gallons, 3 gallons, 3 gallons on average. So now we find the total, right? How to find this total? First, we count 2 multiplied by 2 because it's 2 days. And then these 2 days, average is 2 gallons. So 2 multiplied 2. Now how many days is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days on average of 3 gallons. After we found this one and this one, we plus them all. That is the total. And next, number 4. Miss Johnson buys 2 chickens. The average weight of the chicken is 4 pounds. One of the chicken is 2 pounds heavier than the other. What's the weight of the heavier chicken? So we have chicken 1 and chicken 2. The second chicken is heavier. And then the total is, because they told us that the average is 4 pounds, and then there are 2 chickens, the total weight will be this much pounds. So for these 2 units, that is total minus 2 pounds, because we want to get only these units. So we need to erase this one. How to erase this one is by minusing this, subtracting this from here. You get the 2 units, only this part and this part. After you get 2 units, we can divide it and get 1 unit. After that, we find the heavier chicken, which is chicken number 2. That is 1 unit plus 2 pounds. And then we get the heavier chicken weight. Next, number 5. The scores of 9 players playing 9 holes of golf are this much. Find the median score, the mode, the range, and the mean. And then what happens if there is another data. So first of all, you need to set the data in order from the least to the greatest, like the one that I did in here. Order it from the least to the greatest, and then Next, the median is the middle number. So you need to cross out the line leader with the caboose, second line leader with the second caboose, and then until you find the middle number. What is mode? Mode is the number that occurs frequently. So you check it out from your data, which one occurs most frequently. Next, range is the biggest number minus the smallest number. In here, we have this minusing this. Next, we have the mean. That means the total numbers divided by the number of players. So you have to plus them all. 65 plus 67 plus 69 plus 70 plus 70 plus 72 plus 72 plus 72 plus 73 divided by the number of players. How many players we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 divided by 9. Now what happens if the new data changes? They said in here, another player scores 80 and predict this player's score. Will it change the median, mode, range, and the mean? So you put the new data. So now we have 10 players because we add up a new one. What is the new median? You do the same thing. Line leader with the caboose, the second line leader, second caboose, third line leader, third caboose, until you find the middle number, which is supposed to be around here probably. And then the new mode. The new mode is still the same. Why? Because there is one number which occurs very often, and this one does not interfere with this. So the new mode is still the same. What is the new range? This will be different because the biggest one now is not 73 but 80. Still, you have to subtract it with the smallest number. What is the new mean? You need to have, it will also be different because now we have 10 players instead of 9, plus we have another data to add up. So you need to add everything up. 65 plus 67 plus 69 plus 70 plus 70 plus 72 and so on until 80 divided by 10. So in conclusion, the player score will change median, range, and mean, but not mode of the data.